We have here four formula into which I am going to be substituting these five values. A is 3, B is -2, C is -5, D is 6, and E is 0. My first observation is an element of caution may be needed because I have negative numbers for two of them, and substituting in, there is always the potential pitfall when dealing with negative quantities. So let's look at the first one. H equals 3A take away 2C's. Well, 3A means 3 times the value of A, which is 3, which I've already got in my mind, of course that's 9. Take away 2 lots of C. Well, C is -5, so it's take away 2 times -5. And here my caution is necessary because I have a negative and a negative. So I have 3 times 3, which is 9. Take away 2 lots of -5s, that means take away -10, which will be 9 take away a negative number. Combining those two together gives me the result of adding 10. So 9 add 10, 9 plus 10 is 19. The caution of taking away negative quantities, here we have 2 negative signs together. T, the expression 4BDE is going to equal 4 times -2 times D, which is 6, times E, which is 0. Now, quite clearly, I have 4 times 2 times 6. 2 6s are 12, times 4 is 48. That will come to -48. However, right at the very end, we have times 0. And anything times 0 equals 0. So there's the solution there. The next one is going to be quite complex. I have a quantity on the top, a quantity on the bottom being divided by, and I'm going to be substituting in 4 letters. So I'm just taking an element of time and caution to find the solution here. 3A, I know to be 3 times 3, plus 4 times B. B is -2, so it's going to be 4 times -2, divided by 2C, which is going to be 2 times -5, take away 6. Let's take our next step. 3 3s are 9. 4 times -2 is -8. Adding on a negative number, same as taking away 8. 2 times -5 will be -10. Take away another 6. Again, an element of caution. 9 take away 8 is 1. Here we have -10 take away 6 more. So if we think of our number line, -10 take off another 6 is going to be -16. The last one, y equals 5c squared. 5 times -5 squared. Now I'm just going to put these in brackets here so that I don't fall into any pitfalls. -5 squared take away 4. -5 squared, I'm just going to put a little note here to myself. Note, -5 squared, it means -5 times -5. 5 5s are 25, and 2 negative signs results in a positive quantity. So the solution is going to be equals 5 times -5 squared is 25 minus 4. 5 lots of 25 is 125. Take away 4, which is 121. So in summary, when substituting negative values, you just need to be a little bit more cautious. Firstly, when we have 4 times a negative quantity here, that gave us -8. 2 times -5 was -10. And equally, when we had negative quantities which were squared, that made it positive.
Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.